Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deepak. In today's video, we will be talking about using Android Auto, wired and wireless modes both on those players where it is not initially provided. In fact, this video is specifically for the new Gurkha vehicle where the factory fitted Android player, it does not have Android Auto. They have given some solution to that, but it doesn't work well. It is mirroring your phone screen to the player, and the experience is not so good. So I searched for options and I found a head unit reloaded, and that works pretty well. In fact, some of you would already be using it. There are many videos of head unit reloaded, how to use that on it, and getting this working on a player where Google Play Store is logged. It is a bit tricky initially for most of us. So this video is it's an attempt to help those who are not able to get this working on their Android player. So let us start. These settings may vary according to the model of the player we are talking about. Right now here on the Force Gurkha, the audio system is from Nippon. So we will try to first activate Google Store here, and to do that we have to go to the settings and go to car settings, and then go towards end extra settings and put the password 123456. Yeah, it works. Then go towards end, and there is Play Store update, not this one, Play Store update. You have to make it open. So once you have got the Play Store, you can see that here. So this will come up, Play Store. Log into your account and then search for, I'm not connected to network, that's why, search for head unit reloaded. It has a free version and a paid version. I would recommend you buy it. It costs around 300 or something. And once you have that, then we will go to the next level. It is a bit complicated. I have tried out the wired and wireless versions. Wired one works perfectly fine, but the wireless one, it works sometimes, it sometimes doesn't work. And I have been trying, doing several trials and errors, and let's see. Today I am going to try again, and hopefully when I upload this video I will have a proper solution for the wireless function. Once you have installed the head unit reloaded app, you need to go and make some settings there. Now the settings are quite complicated, so I will choose the one which has worked for me. So go to settings and then connectivity, Wi-Fi connection mode. It's not very clear. Okay. And the one which I have chosen is network discovery. Both devices should be on same network. Select that, and we are done on this side. Next, on your phone you have to download Wi-Fi launcher app. You can get it on Google Play Store. This is a free app, and once you have loaded that, you have to go to wireless and network discovery. Both devices should be on the same network. Okay, that is done, and first part is over now. Okay, so the settings part is done. Now we will try the wired connection. So there are two USB ports below your music system. The top one is connected to the music player, so that one we will connect with the phone which we have downloaded the app. I will connect it. I tried to demonstrate, but it is running automatically anyways. So once you connect your phone, go to head unit reloaded app and then click on USB, and there will be some messages which will come. You just have to click OK, and then you will reach. I will try again. As soon as I am connecting, it is okay. I have connected my phone and it is automatically running. So that is wired connection. Now I will disconnect this and I will try the wireless connection. So in order to start the wireless connection, now this is the tricky part here. Your car player and the phone, they should be on the same network. So I have tried different configurations, but this one works. So there should be another phone or another Wi-Fi dongle or whatever you have that should be giving internet to both these, your phone which you want to connect to the system and the system itself, your music system, right? So I have another phone where I have made a Wi-Fi hotspot and my player and that my another my mobile phone. Okay, now my phone and the music player both are on same hotspot. They are both connected to the same hotspot, and inside the connectivity settings we had already discussed before. I already told before, so I will try now to connect Wi-Fi, and you see it automatically is connecting wireless. And you can use the normal Google functions. You can ask Google to dial a number for you, or you can ask Google to set a direction in the Google Maps.